The study of ancient food offers a fascinating window into humanity's past. By analyzing remnants of meals, such as charred grains, pottery residues, and animal bones, researchers can uncover vital clues about how civilizations thrived or declined. These food traces reveal not only what people ate, but also how they farmed, traded, and adapted to changing environments. Shifts in diet often mirror broader social and economic transformations, including migration, technological innovation, and even conflict. In some cases, the disappearance of certain foods has been linked to the collapse of entire societies. Through these edible artifacts, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between culture, environment, and survival. Throughout history, food has played a pivotal role in shaping societies, influencing power dynamics, cultural development, and even the survival of entire civilizations. The types of foods consumed by ancient peoples often determined which groups prospered and which struggled to endure. Today, advances in scientific research allow us to reconstruct these forgotten diets, revealing the intricate connections between nutrition, trade, and societal success. By analyzing remnants of ancient meals and mapping historical trade routes, researchers uncover how access to certain ingredients could tip the balance of power. These discoveries not only shed light on the past, but also help us understand the enduring impact of food on human progress. Researchers employ advanced techniques to study ancient hearths, pottery fragments, and even human teeth, uncovering microscopic traces of past meals. These tiny remnants have led to remarkable discoveries, such as the identification of the world's earliest bread and evidence of early dairy consumption. By analyzing chemical signatures and food residues, scientists can reconstruct dietary habits that date back thousands of years. Additionally, these findings have shed light on surprising migration routes, revealing how communities moved and interacted across vast regions. The combination of archaeological artifacts and microscopic analysis provides a richer understanding of ancient lifestyles and cultural exchanges. DNA preserved in dental calculus provides remarkable insights into the diets of ancient populations. By analyzing these molecular traces, researchers can reconstruct the eating habits of people ranging from hunter-gatherers to early urban societies. This approach reveals not only the types of foods consumed, but also how dietary patterns shifted over time. The genetic material trapped in calcified plaque acts as a time capsule, capturing evidence of plants, animals, and even microorganisms that were part of daily meals. Such discoveries deepen our understanding of cultural transitions and environmental adaptations throughout human history. Ultimately, dental calculus serves as a powerful tool for unraveling the complexities of ancient nutrition. Layers of sediment act as natural archives, preserving traces of pollen, seeds, and animal remains over thousands of years. By carefully analyzing these materials, scientists can reconstruct ancient food systems and track how agriculture evolved in different regions and eras. The presence of specific pollen types reveals which plants were cultivated or abundant at a given time. Seeds and animal remains offer further clues about diets, domestication, and trade. This information helps researchers understand how human societies adapted to changing environments and developed new farming techniques. Ultimately, sediment analysis provides a window into the complex relationship between people, food, and the land throughout history. With the rise of agriculture, societies began cultivating staple crops such as wheat, barley, and rice, which became the foundation of daily diets. These crops provided reliable sources of nutrition and supported the growth of settled communities. As civilizations expanded, trade routes emerged, enabling the exchange of goods over vast distances. Spices, fruits, and livestock traveled along these routes, enriching local cuisines and diversifying food options. The movement of these ingredients not only influenced culinary traditions, but also fostered cultural connections between distant regions. Over time, the global spread of agricultural products shaped the way people ate and interacted with one another. Within royal tombs, archaeologists have discovered remnants of honey, wine, and rare meats, offering a glimpse into the lavish feasts enjoyed by ancient elites. These findings suggest that food was not merely sustenance, but a symbol of status and power. The presence of such delicacies highlights the importance placed on culinary offerings in rituals and ceremonies. Exotic ingredients, often sourced from distant regions, underscored the wealth and influence of those entombed. Through these traces, we gain insight into how food shaped social hierarchies and cultural practices in ancient societies. Skeletal remains found in common graves offer a unique window into the lives of ordinary people from the past. Analysis of bones often reveals signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as stunted growth or weakened enamel, indicating periods of inadequate food supply. These physical markers help researchers identify recurring cycles of famine that affected entire communities. Beyond diet, the condition of the skeletons also reflects the harsh realities of daily survival, including strenuous labor and exposure to disease. Through these findings, we gain a deeper understanding of the challenges faced by previous generations and the resilience required to endure them. Ancient diets across different regions offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives and values of early civilizations. In the Near East, staple foods like wheat and barley were cultivated, shaping both daily sustenance and religious rituals. Pre-Columbian America saw the rise of maize, beans, and squash, which not only provided nutrition but also held symbolic significance in indigenous cultures. East Asian societies relied heavily on rice, integrating it into both their cuisine and cultural practices. The foods chosen and the methods used to prepare them were deeply influenced by available resources, technological innovations, and prevailing belief systems. These dietary traditions continue to inform cultural identities and culinary practices today. Archaeologists often rely on food remnants to piece together the story of human development. By examining ancient seeds, bones, and pottery, they can trace how diets have evolved over thousands of years. These discoveries reveal shifts in agriculture, hunting practices, and even social structures. For example, the introduction of new crops or domesticated animals often marks significant changes in a society's way of life. Through careful analysis, researchers uncover patterns that link food choices to cultural advancements and environmental adaptations. This timeline, built from remnants, offers a unique perspective on how humanity has grown and changed across the ages. Bioarchaeologists use isotopic analysis to uncover details about ancient diets and environmental changes. By examining chemical signatures in human and animal remains, they can determine what types of plants and animals were consumed. These patterns help researchers trace shifts in nutrition over time, such as the adoption of agriculture or changes in hunting practices. Isotopic data also provide clues about migration and climate, offering a window into how communities adapted to their surroundings. Through this scientific approach, bioarchaeologists gain valuable insights into the daily lives and resilience of past populations. Paleogeneticists employ advanced DNA sequencing techniques to distinguish between different species found in archaeological sites. By analyzing genetic material preserved in ancient remains, they can identify subtle changes that signal domestication events. This approach allows researchers to trace the origins of domesticated plants and animals, shedding light on how early humans shaped their food sources. Through these discoveries, our understanding of ancient diets and agricultural practices continues to grow. The insights gained not only reveal the diversity of species consumed in the past, but also help reconstruct the timeline of human innovation in food production. Nutritional anthropologists examine the relationship between diet and human health in ancient societies. By analyzing skeletal remains, they can identify signs of malnutrition, growth patterns, and the prevalence of certain diseases. These findings reveal how access to food and specific dietary habits shaped physical development over time. Additionally, nutritional anthropologists explore how differences in diet contributed to social hierarchies, with certain groups enjoying better nutrition and health outcomes than others. Their research helps us understand the complex interplay between food, biology, and social organization in the past. Historians play a crucial role in understanding the evolution of food traditions by analyzing scientific discoveries alongside ancient texts and inscriptions. By comparing archaeological evidence with written records, they can piece together how different societies cultivated, prepared, and consumed their food. This approach reveals not only what people ate, but also how food influenced social hierarchies and economic exchanges. The interplay between culinary practices and commerce often shaped trade routes and local markets. Through these investigations, historians uncover the ways in which food traditions contributed to the development of communities and their interactions with neighboring cultures. Microscopic residues found on just one tooth have the power to unlock stories about ancient lifestyles. These tiny traces can provide clues about what people ate, how they prepared their food, and even the environments they lived in. Such discoveries inspire a deeper curiosity about the secrets that may lie hidden in archaeological sites that have yet to be explored. By analyzing these minute remains, researchers can reconstruct aspects of daily life that would otherwise remain unknown. The study of dental microfossils continues to reshape our understanding of human history, offering a window into the diets and habits of past populations. Ancient diets offer valuable insights into the story of human progress. By examining what our ancestors ate, we can trace the paths of innovation as communities learned to cultivate crops and domesticate animals. These dietary patterns also reveal the movement of people across continents, carrying their culinary traditions with them. The foods consumed in different eras reflect adaptation to changing environments and resources. Through the lens of ancient diets, we see not only what sustained early societies, but also how they overcame challenges and thrived. This blueprint helps us understand the interconnectedness of culture, survival, and advancement throughout history. Recent breakthroughs in technology and archaeological excavation have revolutionized our understanding of ancient societies. Sophisticated tools now allow researchers to analyze food remnants and agricultural practices with unprecedented precision. These discoveries reveal how the availability and management of food resources influenced the rise and fall of civilizations. From the development of farming techniques to the establishment of trade routes, food played a central role in shaping economies and cultures. As new evidence emerges, historians are able to piece together the intricate connections between diet, health, and societal progress. The story of humanity is, in many ways, a story of how we have harnessed the power of food to build and sustain our world. History is often hidden beneath layers of time, with its secrets preserved in the remnants of ancient meals. The ingredients our ancestors used tell a story of adaptation, resourcefulness, and survival. Each discovery, whether a charred grain or a fragment of pottery, offers clues about how people once lived and what they valued. By examining these traces, we gain insight into the daily lives and challenges faced by those who came before us. As we uncover these culinary artifacts, we begin to rewrite the narrative of human endurance, understanding that food has always been central to our journey through history.